I've got a big secret that I've been hiding from you, and I think it's about time I shared it with you. Trust me, you're going to love it. I've been cheating on TikTok for a very long time. In fact, I cheat on all of the platforms because they use us creators to build their platforms up and then want us to push their cheap crap. Making us all the same, selling the same cheap crap, paying us very, very little, and declining our views unless we do what they say. It's beginning to sound a little bit like the mafia mob. Well, I've always been a rule breaker, so this is what I do. And FYI, I've been doing it for 20 years. You see, that's what education does. It prepares you for success. Now, I actually own my own businesses and brands, and I have had these for a very long time. And yes, I got educated in it too. I've worked for large organisations, small organisations. I've taught people French, English, Etsy sellers, social media managers, small businesses, and even the witchy crew, dentists, doctors, nurses, anybody who wants to monetize a skill or learn one and make money from it online. So you're not trading lots of your time for pennies for somebody else or donating to an MCN agency. So instead of chasing the golden egg, do this instead. So this is what I do. I create business after business and I show other people how to do it too. You'll always make more money doing this and you won't have to go live every day to sell it. In fact, most of this is faceless.